and my buddy's like, oh fuck, and he's like, guess we gotta give it back to him. And then he gives it to the other guy. The other guy's like, alright, I'm out, peace.
Get off the bike. Hands behind your back.
What?
Hands behind your back.
Okay, okay, okay. What did I do? Ow.
When he was hiding, I thought he was going to shake off.
What?
So, when you came by and your license plate is hidden like that?
It's not even my bike. It's my dad's.
Sorry?
It's not even my bike, it's my dad's.
It's your dad's? Okay. Is it gonna fuck up if I try to lift it like this?
Huh?
Am I gonna fuck it up if I lift it like this?
I mean, you probably already fucked it up from slamming into the ground.
I didn't slam it on the ground.
I don't know, man.
Alright. You have a driver's license on you?
Yeah. Just leave it.
I'll get him to lift it up if it can't stand on. Do you have any ID on you?
Yeah, I just said.
Yeah.
It's in my pocket here. This jacket pocket, yeah.
Let me just get your ID and then I'm going to uncuff you,
Alright.
alright?
Got insurance in there too.
Oh?
Yep.
You okay?
Yeah.
Slide one knee up. Help you out.
Ugh. I would have pulled over.
So the reason normally we would.
Yeah.
When guys hide the fucking license plate,
Yeah.
they don't pull over, they take off.
Well, if guys are gonna take off, they won't have a license plate, to be fair.
No, but what they do is they do like what you do where you tuck it behind the fender. I've had guys where they'll put magnets and then just slip it down.
But I mean, if you're gonna run from the cops, you wouldn't want a license plate anyways, right?
No, I wouldn't think so, but they do it, and they put stolen plates on there and whatever else.
Fair enough.
So that's why I have to do that, is just so you wouldn't fly.
All right.
But anyways, all right. I'm just gonna run your plate. As long as everything's okay, you're good to go. Traffic stop at Fennel and Westford, Ontario Marco, when you're ready. Your bike okay?
No, it's like that. This is all fucking bent and shit now.
9 November 9, X-ray 7. This?
Yeah, like you see how it's all bent now? It's like bent like this. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't drive a bike. I don't have to pay no drugs. start now?
It's probably just the tip over sensor. You usually gotta do this a couple times for it to turn on.
Okay.
I don't know.
I really hope.
I don't know. I'm gonna give it a little bit.
Yeah, everything's 10 forces license. We're good.
You didn't have to like throw me off the bike.
I wasn't trying to throw you. I was just trying to hold you so you wouldn't. Like, I was holding you so
You threw me, man. Come on. You want the insurance?
Do you have it on you?
Yep.
Yeah, he came back that it's your dad's car, so when that, or your dad's ride. But when that's the case, guys don't usually carry insurance. Yeah, well, I gotta make this right, so what can we do?
I don't know. You tell me. I've never had a situation like this.
I mean, generally, they pick it up and drive off. I don't know.
I don't know, man. Like, is there like a reimbursement for my fucked up handlebar? I don't know.
You put it in. Like, I'll look into it for you. It's my bad. Like, it's my fault.
Yeah.
Right? So,
Like, I don't know. I don't know, man. It's not even my bike, which is like the fucking worst part about it.
let me get my sergeant here, see what we can do for you.
Okay, thank you.
Try to start it in the meantime. And
Okay. God damn, that was crazy.